Introducing the QiaoYoubang 5 pieces of 1.7 by 2.7 inch server rack cable management D-ring hooks, a versatile and efficient solution designed for organizing your cables and wires in server racks, network cabinets, and various electronic setups. Whether you are aiming to manage power cords, fiber optic cables, or network patch cables, this product has been engineered to keep your space neat, safe, and optimally organized. The first aspect that stands out is its precise, well-thought-out dimensions. Each D-ring hook measures 1U in size with overall dimensions of 1.73 by 2.7 by 1.73 inches, while the cable storage space of each hook offers ample room, 2.56 by 1.57 inches, to accommodate your cables without undue clutter. Additionally, the back installation board provided in the set measures a compact 1.73 by 0.78 inches, ensuring a stable and secure mounting base for any installation scenario. This thoughtful design, crafted from high-quality cold-rolled steel and finished with a durable powder coating, not only adds to its aesthetic appeal, but also contributes to its long-lasting durability. In real-life scenarios, users have found these cable management hooks to be extremely flexible. They complement various layouts and installations in server rooms, data centers, and office environments. The hooks significantly improve airflow around high-density equipment setups, reducing heat buildup, a crucial factor that can help extend the life and performance of sensitive electronic devices. The fact that only 2 screws are needed for each hook makes the installation process quick and accessible, allowing even those with modest DIY skills to set up their cable management systems efficiently. While the QiaoYoubang hooks deliver a multitude of benefits, such as flexibility, durability, and ease of installation, there are a few minor drawbacks. For example, in extremely large or complex cable installations, some users might find that additional hooks or complementary accessories are required to achieve an optimal setup. Additionally, although the hooks are designed to be robust, they do require careful handling during installation to ensure that they are securely fastened, especially in vibration-prone environments. When compared with similar cable management solutions on the market, these hooks stand out due to their precision in design, ease of installation, and flexible mounting options. They offer a competitive edge in cost-effectiveness without compromising on quality. To get the most out of this product, it is advisable to plan your cable routing carefully, measure your available space, and use the provided installation guide to maximize both organization and airflow. In summary, the QiaoYoubang server rack cable management D-ring hooks are a smart, reliable solution for anyone looking to maintain a tidy, efficient, and safe working environment. They are highly recommended for IT professionals, data center managers, and anyone keen on setting up an organized server or network rack system.